subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
LG seems to have decided to call its next flagship phone LG G7 ThinQ. This was initially revealed through a leak few days ago and is now confirmed by the first shot, as you can see here, which is exclusively leaked by TechRadar. It shows a prototype G7 ThinQ boost screen with the name in the full display. The phone is inside a non-removable bulky case, that means to obscure as much of its design as possible. Even so, the display with notch is clearly visible. The power button is present on the right side and an additional button on the left side underneath the volume keys. That's apparently going to be some kind of AI triggering button because Samsung's Bixby key exists and LG simply couldn't help itself. The LG G7 ThinQ is set to come with a 6.1-inch touchscreen, the Snapdragon 845 chipset, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The prototype has allegedly been able to score 2,52,473 in the Antutu benchmark, which outclasses the Samsung Galaxy S9 but not the Sony Xperia XZ2. Then again, it's running pre-release software, so this may change once that's finalized. The LG G7 ThinQ is expected to launch in the month of May. So what do you guys think of the LG G7 ThinQ? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSole Blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.